Oh, look at them running. Oh, they're just not sitting still. That's pretty cool with the two guys together. That looks like a big guy back there.
It's hotter than the blacktop in July.
Clear sunny skies, the gentlest of breezes, and a chilling 29-degree temperature. Hello, and welcome back to the 13th Wildlife Drive. The road, at least right now, seems to be a little less busy than last Wildlife Drive, so hopefully that'll help the deer come out a little bit closer to the road so we can get some closer shots. We have just a little less than 2 hours left of sunset light, so hopefully we'll have plenty of time to see some pretty cool bucks and does. And hopefully some elk, though they're the trickiest ones. All right, let's pack up. One thing different than last Wildlife Drive is we finally have snow on the ground. We've been in winter officially for months, but we finally actually have something that's sticking. It makes for a nice change of scenery. Ah, here we go. First deer of the day.
Staring at the ceiling, lost in regret. Holding out for your love with your ring in my hand.
I think I recognize this buck. This might be the same one we saw alone last Wildlife Drive. Looks like we got some little babies too. Oh, look at them running. That's pretty cool, the two guys together.
Looking back and seeing everything we've done in every piece.
Look at those canyons in the distance there. Man, he is really watching me.
I'll choose you. I'll never lose you, 'cause we'll be here.
Oh, look at that. A second group, maybe a quarter mile down the road. Oh, they're just not sitting still. Yeah, by the time I was able to get my tripod up and the camera on it, they're already starting to move away. I did get just a couple lucky shots right before they started to walk, though. There you go. Nice. Oh yeah, look at that closer. Oh, there they go, crossing the road. All right, on to the next. Okay, we're going to turn around at this spot up here. This dirt road isn't part of the main drive, it's just one of the little cutoffs that I like to take because we've had luck the past two Wildlife Drives on it. Okay, so we're just a couple hundred yards away from the intersection where we can get onto the main road again, and I found these guys. These guys are pretty far away, but I really like the backdrop they have behind them here, so I'm going to take the time to try and get a shot or two. That looks like a big guy back there. Ah, too bad we're not closer. This is as far in as I can zoom. All right, we're burning daylight. Gotta get rolling. just saw some deer to my right, but I passed them up because they were on a blind turn there, and I don't want to park where someone could come around the bend and crash into me. Oh wow, look at that, it's a little coyote. That's super rare for me to see. I never see these guys. I'm not even going to try to get out to set up my tripod for video. I'm just going to try to take some stills for my camera in here.
It's been 500 days since I've left town.
Dang it, he ran away before I could adjust my settings to where I wanted.
I don't remember why.
Oh well, still a really cool thing to see. We got about 10 minutes until official sunset.
Knowing that I want you back someday.
We got two little does back there, but they're pretty far away. I don't like their backdrop, so I think we're going to pass on them. Yep, there goes the light. Man, it's pretty with the snow on there. Ah, we have a pretty decent-sized lone buck that just crossed the road in front of me here. Man, he's walking pretty fast away from me. You can tell that image quality is starting to drop now too, since the sun has gone down. That big lens needs a lot of light.
Without you.
I'm seeing some deer pretty far away in that dark shadowed section of the sagebrush, but I think I'm going to pass on them. The drive started out cold and it's getting even colder. It's at 15 degrees right now, so I think we're going to call it a night. I really like this drive. I feel like the snow added to a lot of the videos that we were able to get. We did see quite a bit. I will say the one thing I'm disappointed in is that last buck that we saw. Not only was he running away, but the image quality was just getting pretty poor because I was bumping my ISO up so much on that big camera, which doesn't handle it very well. All right, I'm freezing, so I'm going to go back into the car, but it was so great hanging out with you. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video, and I hope you stop by to see Wildlife Drive 14 coming to you not next Friday, but the Friday after that. Have a good one.